Did you know that certain houseplants can improve your air quality and boost your mood? It's true. Just like we tidy our homes to create a sense of calm and joy, incorporating elements of nature can enhance our well-being. Today, we're diving into the world of houseplants to uncover 8 of the healthiest options you can welcome into your home. These plants not only purify the air we breathe, but also add a touch of natural beauty to our surroundings. Let's begin. The spider plant, with its cascading foliage and charming baby spiderettes, is a true champion of air purification. Imagine this: you're working in your home office and the air feels a little stale. Adding a spider plant to the corner can make a world of difference. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space, but it also actively works to improve the air quality. Spider plants are incredibly efficient at removing harmful toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. These common pollutants can be found in everyday household items, making the spider plant an essential addition to any home. Not only do they cleanse the air, but they also add a touch of vibrancy with their graceful arching leaves. Their lush green foliage can brighten up any room. They prefer bright, indirect light, so placing them near a window where they can bask in filtered sunlight is ideal. This ensures they get the right amount of light without being scorched. When it comes to watering, allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's important to strike the right balance. You'll know your spider plant is truly happy when it rewards you with those adorable baby spiderettes. These offshoots can be propagated to grow new plants. Consider placing a spider plant in your bedroom, living room, or even your kitchen. They thrive in various environments and can adapt to different lighting conditions, making them versatile and easy to care for. Let me introduce you to the snake plant, a true marvel of low-maintenance greenery that has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts everywhere. With its striking upright leaves that resemble a serpent's skin, the snake plant is not just a plant, but a statement piece. The snake plant adds a touch of modern elegance to any room, effortlessly blending with various interior styles. This resilient plant is known for its exceptional ability to purify the air even while you sleep. It's like having a natural air purifier right in your home. Snake plants release oxygen at night, making them an ideal companion for your bedroom. Imagine breathing in fresh, clean air as you drift off to sleep. They also filter out toxins like formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and benzene, which are commonly found in household products, promoting a healthier and more restful sleep environment. You'll wake up feeling more refreshed and rejuvenated. Snake plants prefer their soil to dry out completely between waterings, so you don't have to worry about overwatering. This makes them perfect for forgetful plant parents or those with busy schedules who might not have time for frequent watering. They can tolerate low light conditions, but will truly flourish in bright, indirect light. It's a versatile plant that adapts to your home's lighting. Whether you place them in a dimly lit corner or near a sunny window, they will continue to thrive and purify your air. These resilient plants are not just beautiful, but functional, continuously working to improve your indoor air quality. Add a touch of natural beauty and elegance to your home with a snake plant. It's the perfect blend of style and substance. Aloe vera, with its plump, succulent leaves, is a true healing wonder. For centuries, this plant has been treasured for its medicinal properties, and its benefits extend far beyond soothing sunburns. Aloe vera is incredibly effective at purifying the air by removing harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Its gel contains vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids that promote healing and soothe irritation. To access this potent gel, simply snip off a mature leaf from the base of the plant. Caring for aloe vera is quite simple. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer their soil to dry out completely between waterings. Place your aloe vera plant on a sunny windowsill in your kitchen or bathroom. Chapter 4. Peace Lily, the elegant air purifier. The peace lily, with its elegant white blooms and glossy dark green leaves, is a symbol of tranquility and peace. This graceful plant is a powerhouse of air purification. Introducing a peace lily can help neutralize toxins and create a fresher, healthier atmosphere. Peace lilies are particularly adept at removing volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. These elegant plants prefer low to moderate light conditions and enjoy consistently moist soil. Place your peace lily in a decorative pot and let it grace your living room, bedroom, or even your bathroom. Chapter 5. English Ivy, the versatile vine. English ivy, with its trailing vines and delicate heart-shaped leaves, is a versatile and charming houseplant. This plant is a natural air purifier with some impressive health benefits. English ivy has been shown to reduce airborne mold and allergens, making it a welcome addition to homes with allergy sufferers. This versatile plant is also effective at removing harmful VOCs from the air. English ivy prefers moderate to bright, indirect light and enjoys consistently moist soil. Consider placing English ivy in your bedroom, living room, or even your bathroom. Chapter 6. Bamboo palm, the tropical tranquility provider. The bamboo palm, with its slender stems and graceful fan-like leaves, evokes a sense of tropical tranquility. This elegant plant acts as a natural humidifier, purifying the air and creating a more comfortable living environment. The bamboo palm can help alleviate dryness by releasing moisture into the air, making it easier to breathe and promoting healthier skin. In addition to its humidifying properties, the bamboo palm is also effective at removing harmful toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the air. This tropical beauty prefers bright, indirect light and enjoys consistently moist soil. Place your bamboo palm in a spacious pot where it has room to spread its graceful fronds. Chapter 7. Gerbera daisy, the cheerful mood booster. The gerbera daisy, with its vibrant blooms and cheerful disposition, is like a ray of sunshine in any room. This cheerful flower also possesses air-purifying qualities that can enhance your well-being. Studies have shown that being around flowers can boost your mood and reduce stress levels. Gerbera daisies are known for their ability to release oxygen and remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. These cheerful blooms prefer bright, indirect light and enjoy consistently moist soil. They make a delightful addition to bedrooms, living rooms, or even home offices. Chapter 8. Boston Fern, the lush and air-purifying superstar. And now, for our final plant, let me introduce you to the Boston Fern, a true superstar in the world of air purification. This plant is not just a pretty face, it's a hard-working member of your indoor garden. This plant doesn't just clean the air, it tackles pollutants with a special kind of zeal. Its lush green fronds act like natural air filters, absorbing toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. Imagine walking into a room where the air feels incredibly fresh and pure. Like stepping into a forest after a gentle rain, the Boston Fern can transform your living space into a serene, healthy environment. That's the kind of experience the Boston Fern can create in your home. Its presence not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to your well-being. It's a powerhouse when it comes to removing formaldehyde, a common but harmful chemical found in many building materials and household products. This makes it an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality. But what truly sets the Boston Fern apart is its ability to remove a particularly nasty pollutant called xylene. Xylene is often found in paints, varnishes, and adhesives, making it a common indoor air contaminant. Having a Boston Fern in your home can help neutralize this potentially harmful chemical. Regular care like watering and occasional misting will keep your fern happy and healthy. Think of it as an opportunity to create a little haven for your Boston Fern, a spot where it can truly flourish. In return, it will reward you with cleaner air and a touch of natural beauty. As we have explored today, incorporating these 8 healthy plants into your home can bring a sense of nature's tranquility and improve your overall well-being. From the air-purifying champions like the spider plant and snake plant to the mood-boosting Gerbera daisy and the humidity-loving Boston Fern, each plant offers a unique set of benefits. These plants not only enhance the aesthetics of our living spaces, but also contribute to a healthier and more harmonious environment. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite houseplants in the comments below and tell us how they spark joy in your life. And if you'd like to learn more about caring for these green companions, be sure to check out my next video on plant care tips.